of years since I cleaned the flame sensor. Could be the flame sensor dirty or shutting off every so often. I'm gonna clean that flame sensor. Says it takes a couple of times for it to start. Probably the dirty flame sensor. It's propane. A fucking bitch to get to it too. Way in the back there. I'm gonna take this gas pipe out to get to it. Propane. Little pile of York. Last time I had to get this out and this nipple to get it out. I remember right, it was a fucking... little shit show. Get a pipe wrench out of the truck, get this thing the fuck out of here. He says he's got propane in the tank, so that's not an issue. Got propane in the tank. Oh. Just got it filled up Thursday, so that shouldn't be the problem. I don't know if this thing's gonna drop or... I want to break that little nipple off there. It's all plastic. I don't even know what the fuck this thing is, but I don't want to break it, that's for sure. Whatever it is. I know I probably can't get one of them right away. I could smell the propane too. Whatever the fuck this thing is. Piece of shit. Never a dull moment, that's all I could say. Whatever, we don't want to break this thing. If we break this, we're screwed. Some kind of pressure switch. Some kind of pressure switch. It's not dirty. Alright, I should be able to get that flame sensor out of there now. I'm going to clean it. Every couple of years you gotta clean that flame sensor, doesn't it? every couple of years. Thing acts up. Shitty design. Alright, what size is that? That's 1/4 inch, I think. A fucking shitty design. Like mice shit up here. Mice have been shitting up on top of this thing. Yeah, it'll look crazy dirty, but we'll clean it anyway. I don't think that's the problem. I don't know if he's been changing the air filter or what the deal is, but I got a little electronic sparker in there. Definitely not the greatest. Get it up in there and get it. That's what I think of this thing. What a piece of shit. What a piece of shit. That's what I think of it. Fucking junk. I don't even know how I'm gonna get these burners out of here if they're even dirty. I think I'd have to take out the whole fucking drawer, the whole assembly. See how it fires. Hopefully that's all it is. He's a piece of shit, mama. What a fucking piece of shit. Put some jism juice on there. Smurf jism. A little Smurf jism on there and should always clean that flame sensor like right away. That's like that's something that's always, that needs to be done. Could be the issue. Some kind of propane sensor on this thing, and that's tied into the same thing as the flame sensor. Whatever it does, in other words, if it doesn't sense good pressure, it'll shut off. Turn the gas on, and we'll see what happens. I'll turn it on, see what happens. It's glowing. Good that time. It's a piece of York. What it is. Yeah, last time I was here, we replaced a step-down transformer. The neutral was a problem on the wiring coming in. It fried the transformer. It's been, what, 3 years since I cleaned the flame sensor. So it needed a cleaning. Just a bitch to get to it. It's a pile of York.